So many leaders, managers, and supervisors have been promoted into their position because they're talented, they're hardworking, and they've got lots of potential. The problem is that they've never had any formal leadership training. And without the right development, even the most promising leaders can fail to deliver on expectation and to drive results. They're barely keeping their head above water, and yet with the right solid leadership development, these same individuals could be thriving, and so could your organization. At Leaders for Leaders, we offer half-day workshops to help your leaders learn how to manage tension, lead with confidence, develop effective teams, navigate change, increase their emotional intelligence, and give and receive feedback effectively. These are the skills that every leader, manager, and supervisor needs to succeed.
Our program's delivered because of 3 key things. Your time is valuable, so we've created workshops that are relevant to your organization with concepts that are tailored to the unique challenges of your team. We make sure our workshops aren't just interesting, but they're actionable, providing skills that you can actually use at work the very next day. And of course, no one wants to attend another boring workshop. That's why we use interactive activities, table discussions, and small group work to make sure that the learning is engaging and also fun.
We know you're serious about the development of your leaders and the need for them to drive success in your organization. So book a workshop today, because every leader deserves to have the skills they need, not just to survive, but to thrive.